This is Fizz Gamer here, and I'm bringing you a special video on how to get unlimited keys and coins on Subway servers. So here we go. I'm about to show you. This is just some playing around on how it would be when you hack it. And when you get the hack, do not update it, because when you update it, it won't work no more. So I'm just gonna get this right quick. And like I just kept buying a lot of stuff. Crashed on purpose. See, have all that many coins. So now I'm about to show you how to do it. So first, you want to go to your Chrome. I'm trying to find it. Chrome. You want to search up. This is only for Android. So you want to search up Android games hacks. You don't need root for this. Just and click on this one. And you have all these hacks. And so, as you see, Subway Surfers right here. Oh, wait, I didn't mean to click on that. So, yeah, I think they put up, like, new mods every day. But, so you want to click on this. Then, you want to click on this. You want to click download now. I'm not going to download because apparently I just showed you. And yeah, so that's how you hack. That's how you hack Subway servers. Bye.